And, you kind of got to understand that going solar isn't going to be a perfect process. There's going to be some hiccups. There's going to be some issues. There's always stuff going on with the county and the city to get these jobs done properly and get them turned on. And it's not really the assumption that we're not going to make any mistakes. It's just how persistent you are at pushing through and solving those mistakes, which is a lot easier for me, because I'm doing 30 installs a month instead of 1,000. And so I have high quality eyes on every single one of our jobs and every single one of our customers.